And then you can connect the loop cuts. Like, what? Like, dude. Like, excuse me, sir. Like, it shouldn't take this much effort to just simply put a loop cut in, man. Like, oh my god. That's just my opinion on that. Like, I don't think that should be, like, a thing. Just pisses me off. But hey, Derry, if you're gonna help me, I will be a good student. It's weird because it's not your first 3D program. That's true, that is true. Fair, fair. But it's not like I'm like a GigaChad at Blender either though. It's like, I just remember that Maya and Blender, like, Maya and Blender are pretty similar, but like, it's not, because, I mean, like, it is, but like 3ds Max is not. Just forget Blender, Pepega. They're just speaking flat out truth, guys. I'm hurt. Emotional damage. Emotional damage. Ew, gross. But hey, you can't just ignore Blender because... Okay, very basic question. How do you connect vertex? Like, how do you merge vertex? Vertices. Like, for the love of God. Yeah, more like Carry 3D. I don't know how to fill in the holes. I don't know how to delete. I don't know how to add to the holes. This guy's like, alright, get in those, rolling his sleeves up. Can't tell you out of my head. Oh, that's okay. No, any help is appreciated. This is gorgeous. Hold on. Whoa. I was using Maya today. It was a version where the target weld tool was basically completely broken. What do you mean, like, version? Like, did they just break that and, like, break the version or something? You can target weld? Or just weld? So you select the vertex and you just click weld? That's all you gotta do? No fucking way, it's not that easy. I fucking tried. The fuck? See, I wish the teacher was more clear about this shit because I barely kind of ended up teaching myself how to extrude because this teacher... Yeah, because this teacher wouldn't explain things properly. So there you go. Yeah, we're gonna have to make a new, like, I don't know, whatever, Discord shenanigans to have Derry just teach us 3D, please. Though I'm sure you will know a lot more than what I or anyone in this place know, so. Oh, but it seems like 3ds Max is quite old school too, though. Is it not? Fuck. Like, it seems the interface seems so old school, not gonna lie. Like, oh my god. Like, it's like boomer program. Holy shit. True boomer program. They got some new useful function. Man, I wish I could upgrade my life to become useful. Oh, what am I doing? Oof. Yes. But yeah, the teacher goes way too fast, and like, I was gonna look up like YouTube tutorials, cause like, I can't, first of all, I can't use 3ds Max at home, which kinda, I know, it sucks, okay. Don't have to hurt me that way. Sheesh. How are you doing, bees? Is there actually a way to use 3ds Max on Mac? Like, I don't know, sussy version? Just Kaji sitting on the struggle bus as usual. Very nice. Same. Yeah, I go to George Brown. The fact that he knows the school's kind of good. At least he can recognize that, like, he knows the school. She. He's like, ah yes, this Pepega school, probably. Good old shit. He's a programmer. Okay, well that's not helping me. That doesn't help me, sir. I appreciate the idea, but alright. I'll figure something out, I guess. This feather. What program you in? Game art. 3-year program. Literally called game art. Is that bad? Should I get out? I don't mind it. I like it. I think it's fun. I like so far what I'm doing. Just not. No wonder why they teach Max. So what? So is it beneficial that I learn Max? Like that for my future career? Like should I do this and pay attention and do a good job? Learn all. Okay. I mean, yes, I will, but like yes, okay. But here's the thing is, it's that like if I had a good prof, I could just easily like, you know, take instructions. Yeah, I'll tag along. But it's just that like if I want to learn it, I'm going to have to put like extra time of my life into it, which isn't a problem. It's just that I don't know where to go or what resources to do to like find what the fuck to be doing on Max and shit like that. That's the problem, personally. Good tutorial? Where do you find these good tutorials? Like on YouTube? So you're basically saying, you know, get an Indian YouTuber to carry me, you know, just like it did in high school. Alright. Do those like ArtStation tutorial things have like stuff for that as well? Cause like apparently, like I don't know, there's good tutorials on YouTube. Okay, cool. If you think there's any good tutorials that you think that are good, like please link them. Just in like our general Discord or whatever, or DMs. I don't care. Because I don't know the program, so I don't know what's good or not. You know, kind of thing. But hey, you know, if like, I mean, I'll totally look for them too. But just yeah. Just recommend me any good tutorials, and I'll watch them and try to do them at school, I guess. Let's go, guys. Derry just here to carry. Let's go. Save the day. Send me for Jesus. Derry here. Do you have? No, not yet. I think we'll have them in second year because we're not doing any sculpting or whatever yet. And I think more also depending on what branch we go into, like specialization for second year, because like we either have a choice to go into character and rigging or environmental, and I haven't really decided yet, but probably will go to modeling, like environmental modeling, because I don't like doing. Environment have more job opportunities. Yeah, and I don't really like animation, so there you go. Like you thought because I was gonna go into 2D animation, I thought I like animation, but I fucking hate animation. I don't know what's wrong with me. I know, right? Amazing career choices. Feels good. Oh, I was filling in the exact opposite of what I should be doing. Like, if you like character, there's jobs you just to make characters, no need to animate. Yeah, but I find making characters in 3D is just not my thing. I find like, I don't know, they're just so stiff and like just not to the level of goodness that 2D characters can get, no matter like how Giga-chan you can be at 3D. I'm sorry, but I just feel that way, and it's like that's something that I'm not really, meh, don't care. Yeah, especially because like I like watching 2D animation, but it's like having to do 3D animation is like yeah, another pain to watch or have to do, and like, no thanks. Like, I respect the 3D character people so much, because I wouldn't, like, no way in hell I would. Characters can be fun. I think it can be. And like, I totally agree with 2D, but 3 I just can't like see myself. I don't agree. I understand, but I don't agree. That's pretty much it. But hey, you know what? Whatever floats your boat, man. Have you seen the 3D characters from Arcanine? No, I have not. Should I go see it? Did you do it? Yeah, what about it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Like kinda like Spider-Verse too. But I mean this is really well done. It's so like it's so hard to get to like here though, that's the thing. It's like to get to here as a 3D to look this good, like you need to be a true Giga Chad to do that. That is true. You do need to start somewhere. That is true. Very valid. Very valid. Can I make my Sims in 3D? Oh my god, the pen nib is already dying so hard. Holy crap. If you're really into it, I'm not. That's the thing. As much as I love the new tablet, the pen tip nib is already like half, like you can see the angle of like the edge, like you know, like on your pen, like on your pen it's like it's usually like this, right, or whatever when you start, right, and then it's like, and then now it's like here because I've just been holding it for a long time. Try felt nibs, like the white ones. Should I change it to that? Alright, like I did try it yesterday or whatever day that I got this, but uh-oh, where did my pen tip go? Oh. I did try it, but I thought they just give me a little bit of a different feeling. And it's like, as much as they're nice, it's kind of like, I don't know, just what it is. It feels too marker feely, kinda. Yeah, it's like way too like hard. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. Whatever. Dude, those pen nibs are not that expensive. I'll just buy them for like $20 on Amazon for like a pack of like however many. It's not a big deal. Oh shit, I forgot that this part was not filled in. Mofos. Damn. Feels too crunchy. Feels way too crunchy. Sorry. It's like if I'm doing like marker design stuff, but like, yeah. I don't know. Oh, okay. Bye, Perry. Have a good day. See you. Have a good weekend as well. Bye bye. Pepe got pen nips. Ugh. The teacher's like, oh, don't do this because like your brushes are going, like you're gonna make like whatever brushes, so like splatter brushes, so just whole fill it in, and I'm like, But why? When you can just fill. I really wish this there was a fill tool here where just close and fill, and like I wish I could just oh shit. Why were you working? Okay, okay, sir. I don't know what it's doing, but like it kind of does it. But sometimes it doesn't. I still don't understand the mechanics of that. So there's this special tool. I don't know if it's special to Clip Studio or whatnot. There's this thing called close and fill. And like if you just like want to close this, you can click around it, and without having to like color or press anything extra, the moment your lasso closes, it fills for you. And like I don't know how it works, because like sometimes now it works and sometimes it doesn't work. Wait, did the teacher do this? No, they did not. Yeah, it's like these don't work, but this one works. It's like this one works. Yeah. Something like that, but I don't know. It's like so what is this paint unfilled area? Oh, okay, so that also works too, kind of, not really. Yeah, it's like this doesn't do anything, but then it's like tolerance, maybe get rid of tolerance. No, doesn't do anything either. It's just kind of dead, bro. Oh, there, he's still here. Clip Studio is so good. It's like, I know people like tell me, you know, like they're like, no, it's not industry standard, you know, shit like that at school. But like, you know what? Fuck off, man. It is the good shit. That's true. MS Paint is the true industry standard. Well said, well said. Words of a wise man. You know, I don't even need to make this all nice and perfect, because like I just know it doesn't. Damn, that almost took 2.5 hours. Holy shit. Comic artists have it rough, bros. respect them, comic artist. Oh, this area also is, I see. Got that. Alright, anywhere else? Anywhere else? That area also is, okay. You little, there we go. Where else? Anywhere else? Here. I think we are pretty good to go. Oh, there's a couple spots here that are missing. Save. I'd say we're safe. We can save. We can save. Nice little drawings. Oh, it can't be saved on the with this though. Actually, that's bad because that's like Clip Studio special thingy majiggy. So I will just do this, delete this, and then take this off. Yeah, take that off, and then lock that as well. Save it again. And then turn it off, and then from here we're gonna open Photoshop, open. There we go. If we can open it, that would be great. Yes! Clip Studio for the win, boys. Looks good. I mean, there's still fixes, but I can do that at school while listening to shenanigans, so. Alright, good. Very nice. Bird, are you alive? Looks nice, thanks. It better be nice, oh my god. Alright, bathroom, be right back. Alright, I'm back. Okay, so I can, oh, actually, this needs to be saved on my cloud because I need that. Yeah, and then I can just use it at school. So click submit that. I already liner did the PSD. It's the gun drawing. Fuck my life. The teacher liked these two the most, of course. I think. I totally agree. But he wants me to like change the trigger because like it doesn't really look like a trigger, which was fair enough. I was thinking that too. And I have to design the handle more, but I'm too lazy right now to do it. I don't have the creative energy. So yeah. He literally just said to go on a thing and then just pick some guns and pick some gun handles and then just like just copy that. And I was like, oh, okay. Cool. It's funny how people we're just so diversely able in different ways because like they were like super surprised that I was able to do color shading and like glow effect all at this like and like really fast like yeah like 1 week and I'm like yeah but this is just coloring because I'm like you know I'm good at 2D but I'm not very like painting is good but like I'm not very good at like designing or concepting. So then these people they have like all this like detail figured out, gun mechanics figured out, and it's only like first week of sketching and I'm like how do you do that? I feel like paint coloring is you like I already know what I'm doing but like for this for the gun mechanics I have no idea. But yeah, that is I'm going to have to do that. I'm gonna have to study that, yeah. But enough schoolwork for today. I have to do I have the entire weekend. I have 4 days to pretty much come up with a decent sketch of this. And then I also have I also have to make sprites. I think this is the first one I'm gonna have to do, and I'm gonna end up having to. I'm gonna draw like I have to do like the walk cycle. Yeah, 4-day weekend every week. Oh, I don't know if it's you as well, like Montreal, but I think Monday is a national holiday for us. Cause for Queen's death. I don't know if Montreal gets that. Let's search for information. Either it's next Monday, like this Monday, or next Monday. Yeah, it is. Huh? What? Don't we get a Monday off? Today's September 22nd, mofo. What the fuck? Someone said that. Who my teachers spread false news? I didn't know that either. Dude, our teacher just fake newsed it. Okay, never mind. I mean, it's not like it matters. Sorry for giving hopes to anyone. I really apologize. But that's what I heard from the teacher. So I was like, oh. I mean, it doesn't matter to me, but. Or maybe it was. I don't know. Oof, that's rough. When's our next Canada holiday? I spelled that terribly wrong. I care. National Day of Mourning. Okay. What the fuck is this? It's until Thanksgiving, but like Thanksgiving is a Monday, so then I'll have class on Monday anyway, so it doesn't matter. Lol. Alright. Cool. Alright, so no homework, no extras class being skipped anyways. Ugh. The fact that like I'm already tired of school and I have 3 more years to go, bro. This is very bad. You got this. Oh yeah, I totally got this. No, it's actually I really enjoy what I do. I really do. I think it's fun. There's a little bit of discomfort in the fact that I have to learn 3ds Max and not with the most amazing instructive teacher, but still, I really like what I'm doing. I don't know why I fucking hate everything. What was I thinking? Oh yeah. So the next big thing I have to do is the character control and level interaction. What is that? Character control can be controlled using a keyboard. By week 9, I have to be able to use what, 3ds Max? Yeah, I'm okay with learning it. Just if teacher would make me, be a little easier. He's like, so here's the thing though. Just like to put it in context, let's say, like you're a complete 3D noob. You have no idea what anything is. You have never even touched 3D or like anything. And then the first, like one of the first things that they tell you, he's like, oh yeah, don't use like N-gons. They're like bad. Like use like tris or quads. And like, yeah, okay, I knew not to do that. And like because I guess I was considered not a complete noob. I knew that. I knew what an N-gon was, whatever. But the teacher, more than half of the class, like almost like 80% of the class was noob, complete zero at 3D. And what the fuck are N-gons? And like literally the teacher had it's like teacher just said don't use N-gons, and everyone's like, what the fuck are N-gons? And then like, why should you not use them? Shit like that. And then he's like, oh, cause you blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. And I'm like, huh? Everyone else knew what to do and can follow the teacher no problem. See, it's not even like that, so I'm okay. That must have been really rough for you, but I'm technically I'm chill because 80% of people have like no experience in 3D in my class, and like they're starting from ground zero, which is tough, but like it's more tough because you have a teacher that like doesn't explain shit. Oh, it's like make sure you just do this, do this, like show them on the projector. Oh, you just do this, you just do this and do this, click this, click this, click that, and then oh, and then now you have an image here, and then pull it back, and I'm like, even me, a person who knows 3D like a little bit, very little bit, I have no idea what the fuck is happening. He's like, oh, just highlight that, do this, do this. Now you got a edge loop, and we're like, what the fuck is an edge loop? And I'm like, bruh, like, you know, it's like many people are ground zero at Unity too. I am ground zero at Unity. I have no idea what I was doing. But now, because the teacher is like, and the thing's online as well, so there's like recorded lectures, so I can like record, I can watch recordings, or like the teacher's nice, he's not slow, but he's very clear on that. So like, oh, make sure you click this, do that, and stuff like that. This guy has no notes, like no slideshow, or no notes on, or any written content for me to refer back to. No recording of class. Doesn't even show up on the first week because he said he apparently forgot that there was class today. Like, motherfucker, bro. Like, okay. And like, yeah, so like, it's just been a rough ride with that class. Like, everything else is great, but just, it's been a rough ride because we're just not having a good start. And then this guy is like, oh yeah, just do this, yeah, keyboard, and then he's like, oh, do this, oh yeah, the keyboard shortcut is this, oh, x plus blah blah, okay. Like, what are you doing, bro? Like, I don't know. Yeah. Okay, so I have to do obstacles, and then a background and character as well. Okay, I should probably write that down. So like, I didn't even know how to merge the vertices together, until you just told me. And then like, yeah, I don't know. It's just yeah. And it kind of makes things worse that I can't use 3ds Max. Because then I'll be able to learn that, but I know it's my problem, so donate, click that button. Click that button. Give me some grains of rice, please. Yeah, on Mac, man. I'm just trying to. I can't use alternatives. I need to know how to fucking use it. Like, I have Maya on here. I just didn't use it. So can't like a Windows PC just drop from the sky one day? Why did I just click images? What do you mean remote into? You can connect remotely? What do you mean? Huh? Like, we have Windows computers. That's a cloud PC. True. don't know what that means. Okay. Because, yeah, I mean, I could go in someday at school and just use their computer to, like, learn 3ds Max one day. Sure. But, like, to have to do that all the time. Apple software is this already, yeah. That's fine, that's fine. Oh, yeah, that's annoying. But you know what? Whatever works. Whatever works. Oh, we can do that? I wish, man. That thing, yeah. That would be annoying eventually. Let's search on 3ds Max. 3ds Max tutorials. Oh, do we have a carrier? Oh, Autodesk 3ds Max learning channel. It was that easy, bro.
Let's take a general look at the user interface. 3ds Max is a Windows application with a menu bar that gives you access to many commands and functions. All the menus are neatly arranged according to their functionality, such as object creation,
I get it.
modification, animation, rendering, and so on. And of course, the help menu is a great place to go for some extra help as you begin working in 3ds Max. Right below the menus is the main toolbar, where you can access
There's only two?
often used functions like undo and redo.
Okay,
well
I'm not that much of a noob, bro.
Ribbon, which contains all the tools you'll need and utilities.
Oh, this is important.
Each one has its own set of important features.
Yeah.
For now, we'll concentrate on the first two, create and modify. As their name implies, the create panel is used to create geometry, and the modify panel to change parameters and modify the shape or certain aspects of the geometry. Let's take a look at the create panel. By default, it's set to geometry.
Yeah, I did that last week.
Which are objects that have volume. There are other types of objects such as 2D splines, lights, cameras, animation helpers, and so on that can be created here. At the geometry level, you can access additional types of 3D shapes from the drop-down menu.
Okay.
Let's start by creating a box. You can see the parameters of this box in the Create panel first when you make it, and you can adjust them as needed here. But it's a good practice to always go to the Modify panel to make necessary changes after you've drawn out your object.
Dude,
This
this literal YouTube video is like, I just learned more in that 2 minutes I just watched, more than like 3 hours I've listened to in the teacher. So
panel, you can change the box values in many ways. For example, click in a field and enter a value.
okay, yeah, yep,
Sometimes a command panel
yep,
contains many different rollouts,
yeah,
which are sections.
yeah. I'm just gonna have
of
to learn it myself, honestly.
You can see an example of a lengthy panel in the display panel. This panel includes options to hide or show objects, or to freeze objects in case.
Yes, thank you, Zion. Louder for those using 3ds Max. They think they're so good. Oh my god. Yeah, it's like there's this fucking this little bit sidebar, blah, 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 and then there's like this sidebar here for you to manage your like wall space. Like, what is this? A fucking anime wall poster? Like, is this my house, bro? No. Like, excuse me? Like, I know Blender has the one side, but like still. Damn.
Don't want to select them by mistake. In any panel, click a rollout to expand or collapse.
Not to mention every other software, including 2D, 3D, they use lock feature for like to make sure that you're not editing anything, right? To lock the object, lock the layer. This thing says freeze. Like, okay, dude. You're just being a fancy little bitch now.
When the information is too lengthy, you can scroll the panel up or down, either by dragging the scroll bar or placing the cursor
I understand that.
or down. You can also click the panel and use the mouse wheel. You can drag the command panel to the left to give it more room. The working areas are called viewports. We're very important, and we take a look at them in a future lesson entitled. A great tool for managing is for viewing, rename, delete, hide, and freeze objects, create and modify object hierarchies, and edit some object properties. To the left of the Scene Explorer panel,
we did that.
Among many different view, return to your custom viewport setup at any time. The bottom of your screen.
Yeah.
Animation filtering and playback control.
Apparently they don't have lock. It literally just said only freeze.
Using simple key users. Transform type-ins are at the bottom center of the screen. You can use these to enter or scale tour. The bottom right portion of the screen houses 2 rows of icons for viewport.
Alt plus W to go out in and out of viewport. What do you? Oh shit! Actually, okay. Dude, drop any shortcuts. Drop any more shortcuts, like right now. I need them. Cause I literally am so lazy. If I don't know the shortcuts, I don't know how I'm gonna live. But again, that's like kind of like strength in this industry, because like knowing the shortcuts saves so much time. Wait. Okay. Hold on. Let me get my notes out. 3ds Max. Okay. So I know. Okay, so Alt plus W is change tab, or like. So you go into the one viewport and then it comes back out. So like let's say you were in let's say you were in this viewport, and then if you're using this, and then you press Alt W and then you go back in. Okay, thanks. Good to know. All right. What is Alt middle click? I have it written, but I don't have any thing, like it doesn't say anything. Alt to go in and out of a viewport. What's Alt mid click? F2, F4 to change like the way you view, like wireframe is solid. Oh, for us, the teacher said it's F3 and F4, but okay, same thing. Yeah, wireframe is F3 and then F4 is wireframe plus shading. So like wireframe plus shading would be like kind of like the transparent but with still shading in it, I'm guessing. So like, you know, I'm quit PS, I'll open Blender. Just to that I can convert and like understand what the fuck is going on. So like F3 would be F4 would be something like this, right? The wireframe plus shading, yeah. The W is to move, E to rotate, R to scale. Yeah, I know that. Zoom is into selected assets. Yeah, zoom into the main thing. Alt plus X. What the hell is that? Alt X? Like X-ray? Like what does that do? F2 is to view the selected face highlighted. Oh, okay. I will put that in as well. I'll try that next time when I go to view selected face highlighted. Okay. Yeah, Alt X, I have no idea what the fuck that is. It says X-ray on my notes, but I don't remember anything. Haha, fuck. Getting started with 3ds Max. (2018). Why is there nothing? Yeah, it says you can't run it on your Mac. Apparently you can't run. Oh, good night, Zion. Thank you for coming. Have a good night. See you tomorrow's maybe. Yeah. Apparently you can't use 3ds Max on Mac. That's not a thing anymore. Or I don't know if it ever was, but like I have Maya on here, but I can't use. Get a PC then? Okay. Okay, you see. You see this, bro? You see this? Right here? I know, I'm thinking about it. Don't get a laptop. Oh, okay. Damn, alright. I don't know. If you're trying to save money. Okay. Yeah, desktop runs better for sure. Yeah, I'm getting a Windows desktop, but like, you know. Yeah, it is an investment, but it is a lot of money. You know, I'm not broke college student, you know? Okay, what the fuck is Alt X? 3ds Max. What is it? Transparent object? Oh, do we get a wiki book? Oh, is this it? Nothing happens? Oh, okay. I don't know what the teacher was saying then. Fuck. It's like, cause I know 3D, I just need to know how to do what. Change the viewport to top view. Oh, so like, I see. Hide and undo gizmo. Particle? No, I don't think I'll be using that. Poly count. Oh, that's important. That's important. Okay, I'll write that down. What is this? 7 poly count? Snap on and off. Environment panel, lock selection. Control I is the invert selection. Okay, so that's the same. This is not copy. This is not copy. Oh, okay, shit. Yeah, what is this? What the fuck is oh no, that's Control X. Okay. Alt X. Apparently it's X-ray view mode. So there's no like shortcuts for like. Ugh, fuck. Oh, quick question. Okay, so how do you select the entire like a round of like loop cuts kind of thing? Like I know in the Max you have the, hold on, where's the edit thing mode? No, it's not here. You're gonna go and edit the fucking thing or no? Like if you want to select more than one, like let's say you want to select this, and like this, well, like pretty much all together. Like if you just hold on, why is this not doing that? You just have to highlight it. So if you go here to here, or if you go here to here. Oh shit! Yeah. So it like it's kind of like the same thing in Blender. Okay. Cause I'm like, I just want to select multiple, but I can't. It's like, bro. Also, how about hold Alt to deselect? Okay. Okay. How about like when you fill it in, like, or like even when you get rid of the face, like how do you get rid of the face? Like here, I can just get rid of the face like this, right? And it becomes an empty cube. Like how do you get rid of a face? It wasn't working, bro. spammed the delete, backspace, fucking everything. It wasn't doing shit. Like, yeah, of course I tried delete and didn't work. Is there a way to do it in the sidebar or no? Or I guess I'll just have to try again. Okay, whatever. Select the face and then delete like that. Okay, okay. I know it doesn't do that in Blender, but okay. And you said merge was to weld. So like, let's say so let's say you wanted to get 1, like 2, 3, 4, all that, right? And then you just wanted to do this. That would be the weld key, the weld, or not key, but like the little sidebar in this corner. Weld, okay. How set a large range first. What the fuck is a large range? If you're also like not comfortable, like if you don't wanna type so much, you can also hop on like voice call if that's what you prefer. Cause I'll be asking a lot of questions. If you have time, of course. If you need to go, like it's okay. Like I'm sure I'll find another time that we can work out. But if you're good, like oh my god. Set large range. Okay. Sure. Yeah, you can come into streaming if you like. I'm sure you're on my Discord, right? Ha! You're literally a Jesus Christ savior. Let me get more water.
Hello.
Hello.
Mm-hmm.
1 second, I'm just getting water.
I can hear myself.
Let's go. Carry the dairy. Oh my god, I'm getting echoes, dude.
Yeah, I'm hearing myself. Yeah, I'm hearing myself. What?
Here, let me share screen. The screen, desktop 1, go live, yeah. Alright, are we good? You can see my screen.
So, so the reason why WoW doesn't work for you is because the range is too low.
Range.
So the distance between two vertices is to be high, because with the smaller range you can only weld the two vertices that are near each other.
Oh, so like, let's say if it was like, oh my god, I'm getting so bad echo. If it was like here, low range would be okay, but if you wanted to merge something that was here, you need to like. Jesus Christ, the things are really bad.
You only have to set it once. So once you set it, it will work next time.
How do you set it? There's
There is
echo.
a setting button beside the weld button.
Oh, it's like where you have hold on, where's the pencil fucking tool?
Oh, it's like where you have
Just on the right beside it.
It's like there's the weld button, and then there's like this like box button here.
it's like there's the weld button, and then there's like this like box button here.
Yes, exactly.
Ah, okay, okay. In the box, but in settings.
Ah, okay.
But you can also target well. Target well is that when you select one vertex, you have to select the other to weld them together.
Yeah. So wait, what do you mean by select them and then weld them together, huh?
Like what do you mean by select them and then weld them together?
So for target well, you don't select two or multiple vertices at the same time. You only when you click on target well, and then you just click on one vertex, and then select the next one you want to weld it to.
Okay, I think that's too big brain. As long as I know how to weld one of them, I'm okay. Okay, cool. What else? Extrude is like you click and then hold the shift and then drag, right?
I think shift is when you copy a face.
So then what is extrude?
Extrude, there's a button called extrude.
Oh shit, there is. Okay. Button on the same side as weld?
Yeah, shift is
On the
copy.
same side as well.
Okay. Has a button there.
So once you select a face, you will see the extrude button.
Okay. But do you always have to select the face, or can you select like the edges and then do that or no?
Do you always have to select the face, or can you select like?
Yeah, you can also extrude a vertex or
Okay.
an edge.
Okay. Cool. Apparently we're learning the modifiers, but so like I'll learn them and then if I
And
don't
also
know.
chamfer is quite useful as well.
Chamber?
Chamber?
Chamfer
What is that?
is it's like making the edge smooth. Instead of one line, it becomes two lines.
Oh, so it's like adding a vertex or something?
Oh, so it's like adding a vertex or something?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it? Okay.
You will see what it means once you play around with it.
Okay. So then you just select the line, like the edge, and then just click chamfer and or something?
Like the edge and then just click chamfer and something?
Do you want me to? Oh, I can actually share the screen.
Yo, thank you so much. Dude, this echo is terrible. What the fuck is going on? Let's watch. Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yep.
So chamfer is when you select this line, right? It's edge.
Yeah.
If you go chamfer, you can turn this into 2 or multiple lines
Oh.
to make it smoother.
Oh, so it's like
Much
bevel.
smoother.
It's like bevel.
Yeah, bevel, yeah.
Okay, okay. Oh my god, that helps so much.
Okay. Oh my god, that helps so much.
And also, let me show you the weld, right? So
Yes,
say
please.
these two are very close, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So if I make it like 2, these two can weld together pretty easily, but these two doesn't work because the range is very wide, very low. So when you set this, so when you go here and set it to a higher volume, it will weld together.
Okay, 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 okay. Got it,
The
got
next
it.
time you click weld, it will weld because you have a higher number here.
Yeah. Oh my god, thank you. That's
And this is the extrude. When you select a face, you just extrude and just push with this one, yeah.
I see. Is there a way to extrude to like an axis?
Only copy the face instead of
Is there
extruding.
a way to extrude to like an axis?
Did you say something?
Yeah, I did. Is there a way to extrude on an axis?
Yeah, I did. Is there a way to extrude on an axis?
Yes.
How do you do that?
So when you press extrude, you can either go. Let me see. So this one is following the normal.
Yeah.
So by default, it's following the normal.
Mm-hmm.
You can go. Let me see. Okay, I have no idea.
Okay. All right then.
Okay.
So it goes along the normal by default, but I think you can change it.
So how do you change that? I kind of knew that. What is happening?
Let me search for something.
Okay.
Yeah, I think usually it was shift plus drag to extrude, but I don't know how. Right now it's just copying things. Copying the face.
How do you make edge loops, like loop cuts?
How do you make edge loops, like loop cuts?
They have to. I think you have to connect. Just select all the face and hit connect,
Oh, connect. Okay.
and then
How do you
drag it to the side.
how do you drag that?
How do you
Just click and drag?
It's just when you hit connect, it will make a line in the middle. You just drag it to the edge you want.
Okay. How about edge slide?
How about edge slide?
What's that?
Edge slide. Do you guys have that?
Edge slide. You got that?
You mean how do you slide along a normal?
Yeah, sure, I guess.
Say like this, you wanna move along this normal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say you wanna go this way, right?
Okay. Connect.
You can there's a constraint here. You can select face, and then it will only go along this face. So
Constraint.
you want this line.
Okay, wait. Connect
Say
is
this line. If you select face,
yeah.
it will only go this face. If you drag this way, it doesn't work. You can only go this way because it's constrained to this face.
Okay, wait. So connect is extrude.
Same with this. You cannot go
no,
the other.
extrude.
You cannot go the X because it's constrained to this face. So you can only go down instead of going forward because it's limited to only move along this face.
Okay. So connect is
Same with
loop
the
cut.
edge. If you click the edge, you can only go this way and
Okay.
this way.
So this is in the move tool, right?
So this is in the move tool, right?
It's added geometry. If you select the vertex or edge, they all have it.
Edge, face, normal. Okay. Okay. Now, how to delete a loop cut? Like how to delete like dissolve or whatever, edge loop kind of thing.
Delete.
Yeah.
And if you want to delete this one, this edge, you can just hit remove, I think. Yeah, remove.
Okay. And that also works
The
for
thing
vertex?
is, even if you remove, you see the vertex here.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, of course.
I think you have to let me redo it. Let me search how to clean remove. I forgot.
It's okay. Anything. Oh my, this is helpful. This is so helpful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right. No. No, it doesn't work.
What are those toolbars at the top? Like, not the very top, but like one right above your viewports.
Yeah, this one is the one I talked about. It's called the ribbon tool, which are new to Max. Not that new, but to me it's new.
I don't remember seeing this on my computer on our school.
It's the same thing from here, but I think it's more detailed. You can do more things.
Yeah. The graphics help so much.
Like modeling.
Alright, I should try that out. The ribbon
Yeah,
tool.
like modeling, and then you can do retopology here as well. I never get a chance to learn.
Ribbon tool, okay.
Yeah.
How do you select like the entire like a round of edges?
Like the edge, you can just select the border. This one, you select all the border.
Also the border one, just so like what if you're on like that prism thing?
You can select one and then hold shift. I mean hold control and then select the second one, third one, fourth one.
But like if you want to select like 20 at the same time, do you have to click 20 times?
You can select this one element, say one element, two element, and then you can turn it into borders. Wait, let me see. So say these two. Which one? Yeah. So if you select these two elements, and then you hold control and then select edge, it will select only the edge of these two elements.
Oh shit. So like if you want to if you're on a cylinder, let's say, you just want to select an edge of that like top of the cylinder, you just click the face and then control click edge and then you get that.
So this one is the ones you selected, you hold control, and then for this one you are going to select all the edges for these two elements.
Okay. Hold control after.
So for this one, if you want to select all the vertices, you select the whole thing, and then hold control and click on vertices. You are selecting all the vertices of this object.
So and then control after hold control after selecting face. Then click.
Yeah, say if you only want to select the vertices of this face, you can just click on this face first, and then hold control and click vertices. You will only select the vertices of this face.
Okay, select face, select the face. And then hold control. And then click edge or face. Yeah. Okay, got it. Thank you. Okay, oh my god, that was important. That was really important.
Yeah. Let me redo something. So let's make a box. And then editable body. I want to delete this. If I remove, there's still the vertices here. But if I hold shift and then remove, still happening.
Maybe you have to remove the vertices instead of the edges.
But if I hold control and remove. Alright, you hold control and remove, you do a clean remove.
Okay, hold control and remove. Hold control, remove.
Look, this is the edge here, right? If I hold control and then remove,
That's
and then I go back to vertices, you don't see those vertices.
yeah. It's a clean remove.
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh my god, that's golden too. Oh god, what is happening? Wait, how did you just select all the edges on that middle one?
You just select all the edges in that one.
Which one?
Like you selected the yeah, that. How do you do that? How do you select all of them at the same time?
Double click.
Double click? Just double click.
Double click, just double click.
Yeah.
Oh shit, okay, okay.
Oh shit.
So if you hold Control and then double click, you will select all of the edges.
Oh my god. So
Hold Control double click, or Control double click, then all the edges. If you keep holding Control and then click on the vertices, you will be selecting all the vertices here.
okay, okay, thank you. Oh my god, that one's so important too.
And what else is important? Oh, okay. So say you wanna. So this thing is not centered, right? Say you wanna bring only your pivot point to the center.
Mm-hmm.
You have to go hierarchy, affect pivot only, and then you set the numbers to 0. And then you deselect this button. So the pivot now is in the center of this grid of the world.
I see, I see.
But if you want the center to be in the middle of this object, you can select, let me see. Forgot.
I feel like it's fine if that's like too much. Don't think I'll ever use it that much. At least not yet.
Yeah, the pivot point is quite important in any 3D software.
Shit, okay.
Close this kind of. Let me just search it. if you hit reset pivot, you can bring it back to where the pivot was originally.
Is this all in where hierarchy? The third icon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, here. So you can center it to the center of the. It's a drop down here. You have to hold, click and hold,
Hold to do
and
what?
choose this one to center to the object.
Oh, okay. Okay. So it's like that little button thingy?
So this is to center to the world.
Which one? Oh, there's
This
like
is
those
the
little drop down thingies.
Oh, there's like those little drop down things.
Yeah, you don't have to go here anymore. You just go here.
Okay. Um. Okay, okay.
There is also another thing. So before you export a mesh, you have to clean it up first.
What do you mean by that?
Say if you want to export this, you have to zero everything out. So you want to put everything in the middle. 0, 0, 0. And say if you enlarge this object, you want it to be this size. And right now it's 182% larger than before. You want to make it to 100 instead of this 180.
Okay, how do you do that?
So you go to so say you enlarge this. This is what you want, but you want to make this 100 instead of 250.
Yeah.
So you just go here, utility, and then reset X form.
Oh, okay. Utility is that like crawl bar thing?
Utility is that like scroll bar thing?
Yeah.
That'll be the sixth. Okay.
What's that called?
Or ranch or whatever.
Or ranch or whatever.
Yeah. And then you have to go back to the modify channel. So you just added a X form modifier.
What was it again? Reset X
If you
form.
right click,
Reset export.
yeah, reset X form.
Okay, got it.
And then go back to the modify channel, and then right click and collapse all. So now it's 100, 100, 100, 100. So it's uniform.
Okay, got it.
So now it's ready to be exported because it's 0, 0, 100.
So
And
0
it's
0 by
yeah.
by 0 0 you mean the scale and the rotation is 0 0.
Scale and the rotation is 0.
Or
Yes.
location and
It means there's no
yeah.
Location and yeah.
Okay.
the rotation is in the middle, and then there is no rotation. The location is in the middle, and then there's no rotation, and the scale is 100%.
Yes, exactly. Okay. Got it.
Yes. Got you.
But in Maya, it's 1%. Instead of 100 in Maya, it's 1% means clean.
Okay. Oh, Maya is 1%. All right.
Oh, Maya is 1%.
Oh, we're not using Maya, so that can happen later.
Yeah. And what else? And also, if you want to move the whole object without touching the pivot point, right?
Yeah.
You can just select the whole thing. Select the element,
Yeah.
and then move the element. And then after you move the element, you go back to the object. See, the pivot point is not touched. Only the element is touched.
What do you mean go back to the object?
What do you mean go back to the object?
Just deselect everything. Say if I bring this thing up here, I bring the element up here.
Mm-hmm.
So this pivot point you're seeing is the pivot point of this element.
Mm-hmm.
But if you deselect this element, the pivot point of this object is still in the center of the world.
Oh, okay. So it's that one's like similar to Blender. Okay, got it.
Yeah, that one's like similar to Blender. Okay.
Yeah. And also bevel. So if you wanna make an edge loop along this face, inside this face, you can just go bevel.
Oh.
Let me redo that. Okay, so if you click on this, just click on this bevel here, and then drag. You can extrude a face that can be changed in size, but what if I just wanna okay, so if I set it 0, so I can just bevel this face.
Okay. So bevel is like inset kind of thing. Okay.
Like inset kind of thing.
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
Sorry, I'm just translating my Blender language so I know what it is.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing too. When I start learning Maya, I just bring my knowledge from Max to Maya.
Okay.
The tools I need in Max is most likely the tools I need in Maya, so I just translate it.
Yeah.
See what else. can freeze. You know how to freeze, right?
Freeze the entire object?
Yeah, freeze selected. So you just select this and freeze selected. It will turn gray.
And what does that do?
You cannot select anymore.
Oh, it just kind of locks it. Okay. And this is in the editable mode thing?
In the display.
Yeah, but this is still in, like, this is not in the outside, like, mode. Or is it?
It is outside. You have to go here.
Oh, okay, got it. Oh, what about the knife tool? I don't know if what that is that same thing, but like you can just freehand cut from one edge to another kind of thing. And
Yeah, it's cut.
that's just
So
cut?
select the, if you want to cut the vertice, right?
Yeah.
Select the vertice and then cut. So if you cut it from here, you'll add a vertice. Same here, you add a vertice and then it will automatically create an edge. So if you go along the edge, this icon will change to a cross. But if you are inside the face, it will create a vertice in the face. See, like that.
Oh,
You can do that.
okay. Yeah. Okay, cut.
Yeah,
Okay.
but the mesh is not clean. You have to clean it up afterwards.
What do you mean it's not clean? How do you like?
See, it's not a quad.
Oh, yeah. In terms of topology, you mean?
So if you want to bring this into a game, it has to be quad or triangle.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, I know that. Okay, cool. I was just wondering if that tool existed.
So you just select these two vertices and hit connect. Just to clean it up, you know.
Yep. I see.
Now it's
Okay.
all good.
Yep.
But be careful of this edge. It's not really a quad. So I just make it a triangle.
Okay.
Same with this one. And this one.
I see.
If you chamfer this vertex, you just become 3 vertices.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's the same thing as bevel tool. Yeah.
What else? Mirror.
Wait, what was the
can mirror
fill
it.
thing again? Sorry. Like if there's a broken, there's an empty like edge loop, and you have to just fill it to a face.
Fill it to a face.
Fill to your face.
It's like if there was a face just missing, like how do you fill a
If
face?
there was a face just missing, like how do you
Oh, okay. Like this one, right? Missing, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
Just select the border. It will automatically select this empty border.
Yeah, and then how do you fill it?
Yeah, and then how do you fill it?
And then you go, let me see. I think you just select this two border, this two edge, and then just bridge.
Oh.
Here, bridge.
Oh.
Okay.
I think you can also fill the whole thing, but I might be confused with Maya.
Got it.
Oh, cap. Yeah. If you select the border, just cap.
Oh, cap. Okay, right, cap.
See, same thing.
Okay.
What else? Mirror. So if you mirror the instance, whatever you do on one, it will do to the other side.
How do you do that?
Just mirror. Let me delete one side, right?
Mhm.
So let's see. This is the middle, not quite. Bring this to the middle. So this is in the middle, and then if you mirror, you can choose which axis you want to mirror it to.
How do you mirror? Where is the mirror?
Next axis.
Where's the mirror tool?
This one.
Where's the mirror tool?
I don't.
This
Wait. Where can you?
Wait, can you?